Okay, so welcome back to the first final big boss fight of Act 1. If anyone has watched the first two episodes, then you would have noticed that I had the camera over the health and our relics. So I have moved that. And let's jump into the big boss fight. Let's just go. Right. So, one of the things I can do, or people can do, is rush into fights and rush into attacking and doing everything. So before we do that, let's just see what he's got. So Slippery. The next 9 times Phantom loses HP. It only loses 1 HP instead. So basically everything becomes rubbish. Our bludgeon becomes 1. Yeah. So we want to defend as much as possible. And I guess even vulnerable doesn't make much sense, but I think we also want to use this, but we'll use it once the fight has gone a little bit longer. Because right now we're going to have 9. We are going to have 9 block, so we should be fine. There's nothing more we can do. Yeah, and there's no point using energy just to use 1 damage, so we'll just hold on. Right, so he's going to do 12 damage. We obviously just want to be doing at least 1. We haven't exhausted a card, and we don't really... Oh no, this is okay. No, I think we use block. I think we use block because he's going to do 12 damage. We could use the card and use the energy to see, but I think we just see what happens here. That's probably the best. Right, our turn. He's going to do 27 damage. Oh dear Lord. So I think now is the time to get the 7 plating, so that at least gives us 9 damage. And we just have to start trying to hit him. We'll get that, so we'll be up to 14. He's still going to give us... I think we do this again as well. The only thing we can do is do the energy and then play these 2 cards. So this will at least give him 1 damage for this turn. And the Inflame will just give us 2 strength for the rest of the fight, which will be good once we actually start giving him damage. I think we do that. So we do that, he'll take 1. And we play Inflame and gain 2 strength. Okay, so we're still going to take 5 damage, and now we have these unplayable cards, which isn't ideal. He's just going to use a buff on himself this time, so that's good for us. So we obviously want to be doing the strikes. We want to be doing the thunderclaps to take his 1 damage. And I guess we just play this for when it becomes useful. That's our turn. Right, his turn. He's going to get stronger, which is not good for us. Alright, he's only doing 9 damage. We need to do another strike. This is probably good because we block the entire thing and we do some damage when he hits, because this is gain 12 block whenever you are attacked this turn. Deal 4 damage back. So let's do that. We'll end our turn. So there we go. We nearly got over his slippery thing. I think we have to do that and then just block. So we're actually doing pretty... Oh god, what is this? This does not look good. We're obviously drawing 3 cards because we have no cards. Did we just exhaust a card? Did we just exhaust a card? I don't think we did. I can't remember. Let's do that. Oh, we can't draw any cards. Oh no. Okay, we're going to do this now. Okay, he is down to 144. That's the end of our turn. Oh dear. Oh, typical, his vulnerable wears off. We just have to bludgeon, surely. Surely that's just what we have to do. I think we just have to bludgeon when we have the opportunity to bludgeon. This is not looking good though. Okay, he's only doing 11. Do we lose 3 HP to gain 2? That'll give us 4. That means we get to play 2. Yeah, I think this is the time. So we've got 5. So we get to play all of these. So we'll do the 21. Don't be anything good. Not sure which one that was. We do 9 and the 2 blocked. So that's good. We're not going to get hurt this time. Oh no. So now he's going to do 20. Ooh. I think we should probably... Thunderclap isn't great because it's just 1 vulnerable. It's just not that good. So I think we play that to protect ourselves, and then this to protect ourselves. But this is not looking good. We need more energy, really, because when we have bludgeon, all we can do is bludgeon. Oh, I think we're dead. I think we're dead. Yeah, I think we're dead. Because we have to defend, and yeah, we can do this. That does 35, but then he'll kill us. I don't think this is going to do anything, is it? No. And then block. We've got 29 and he's going to hit us for 31, and there's nothing we can do. Oh, that is upsetting. And we're dead. There we go. Vanquished. Inconceivable. Well, yeah, that was not good. Right. So, vanquished. The Ironclad was turned into an Inklet by the Vanton. Floors climbed 17. There's 51 floors, I think. We killed 2 elites and we gained 213 gold. Yeah, you can see how many cards you've discovered, and the elites and epochs, this is new. This is like card / story. Yeah, this is all new. This was not in the first game. In the timeline, reveal epochs to unlock cards, relics, and much more. So play a single run to reveal this epoch. Chapter 5, Niao, the reopening. Mother of Resurrection, Niao, awakened from her slumber. Rise, champion, again, again. Niao will now greet you at the start of each run. Okay. Fog rolls in. Play a run with the Ironclad to reveal this epoch, which we've done. The Silent. News of the Spire's reopening made its way to the Silent. She ferries a boat to the capital. So we've unlocked the character here because the Silent is from the first game. The Silent sneaks past the gatewards with ease and enters the spire once more. Unlock the Silent as a playable character. There we go. There's new things here. Beat Act 1 with the Ironclad. Beat Act 3 with the Silent. Oh, so this bottom row is the Ironclad and the top row here is the Silent. It looks like in those lots. Beat Ascension 1. Yeah, because, yeah. Oh. Unlocked by accumulating score. Okay. And there we go. Right. Let me bring it back to me. Okay. Well, there we go. That was the first run of Slay the Spire 2. We got defeated. But hopefully we'll do another run, maybe with the Ironclad again, because you improve, you get new cards, and you just get used to which cards are good and which builds you can make. So yeah, I'll give it another go at some point, but yeah, I'll see you again in the next one. See ya.